What's up guys, back with another video, and this time it's a case unboxing for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It's quickly getting to it. Fairly simple packaging. It's called FNTCASE. Again, fairly simple. This is for the people that, you know, that said, you know, you have an orange case, but people are going to put cases on it. Yeah, they're going to put cases on it, but who says it has to be a colored case? You still want to, you know, show off the color of the new iPhone. So here you go, clear case. Now we'll put a link down below on, you know, product link on it. I think this was about $7.99, and it does come with a screen protector as well. Take a look at it. You have your MagSafe cutout. Alright, you have all the right cutouts for the speaker, USB-C, dedicated camera button, power button, and your big old camera cutout. And yeah, volume up and down, and here, your action button. So you have your volume up and down, action button, and that's about it. So here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and slide it in there. The phone is still updating to the latest software update. But this is how it looks. I will be removing this, you know, little film or sticker on here, but this is how it looks on there. You can still see the vibrant color of the cosmic orange, which I really do like. Again, all the cutouts are aligned perfectly. And again, I'll leave a link down below if you want a clear case for your new iPhone, if you want to show off the color. If you don't, I have other cases that I can provide in upcoming videos I'll be doing unboxings for. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.